So our mission has really been, how can we help to transform mobile experiences, digital experiences inside buildings? Location data is a key part of that. InnerSpace uses Wi-Fi and looks at smart devices or asset tags to understand how people and things move within a building. So that could be something like a sports stadium where we're helping fans understand which gate to go to or where the fastest lineup for the bathroom is. In the corporate office space, it's about how do you make sure that your building is serving the needs of your employees. When we're thinking about returning to work, we need to make sure that we have an ability to understand not only if I was in direct contact with somebody who's impacted by COVID, but potentially shared a space where my viral load could be higher. It really comes down to social distancing. How do I measure how many people can be in a building at any given time or in a particular area? And when I do that, how do I make sure that in the event somebody is known to be impacted by COVID, that I can track that for the last 2 weeks and then inform all of those people who may be in contact with that person. Our platform has been built from day one to be completely anonymous and private. We don't store any personally identifiable information into the system. We're really just listening and calculating locations that are anonymous, where we can then run analytics and understand how people and things are moving within a space. So in the event that somebody is impacted by COVID, we would look to that person or the HR team as an example, or even public health to gain permission from that person to get their MAC address. That MAC address would be inputted into our system, and only in that instance would we be able to return the pathway of that person and the number of people who might be impacted. So again, the MAC address is never stored on our system. It's really only used for that moment in time with permission. The rest of the time, our platform is completely anonymous in that we hash the MAC address and encrypt it so that it can never be reverse engineered. So now that COVID has happened, it's really shone a light on the critical nature and the outcomes of that indoor location. We now have very useful applications that can help change people's behavior, help keep people safe, improve security and operations overall. It's a really exciting time where now we go from data that helps to inform decision to action.